English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Rob.
So, Rob, I have a very simple question for you.
Yep.
Why have you got enormous whiskers glued to the side of your face? And why are you wearing a running vest?
Well, Feifei, it's a new year. And according to our Chinese friends, it's the year of the rat. New year, new resolutions. So I've decided to join the rat race.
You've decided to join the rat race. You mean to get really competitive at work and concentrate on promotions and pay rises at the expense of your free time.
That's right.
But why?
Money.
Right. Well, let's hear some examples of this expression before a little more explanation.
I am going to quit the rat race. I earn all this money, but I never have enough time to spend it. It's just work, work, work.
People complain about the rat race, but if you earn enough, you can retire at 50.
Nieves decided to quit the rat race after she had a serious health scare. She realised that the money wasn't worth the stress.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. In this programme, we're looking at the expression rat race. It's used to describe a way of life in which people work very hard for a lot of money.
But there's no free time and it's very, very competitive. You heard in the examples, we often hear the word quit used with rat race. Quit the rat race.
But you, Rob, have decided to join it. You do note that you don't have to look like a rat to join the rat race. And you certainly don't have to wear a racing vest.
Just trying to make things clear for our audience, Feifei.
I do quite like those whiskers, though. Bye.
Bye-bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.